bit dicey. Oh, look how thick it is though. That's just kind of weird that there's just a hole right there. And that looks like a good crack too. Just post up here. What do you think? Get everyone here and start drawing. Well, back at it again, out on the ice. I couldn't stay in Texas for more than like 20 minutes. And of course, the day I leave, the weather shapes up and it's like 72. But the good thing is, it's actually pretty warm here in Chicago, Illinois, and that's where I'm at right now. I'm back with the crew in which I fished with, I think a month ago it was. They've invited me back out into a new body of water. This is actually a pretty sizable lake for Northern Illinois. There's not too many like big lakes and ponds around here. So I'm actually pretty stoked to fish here. It is 1 p.m. They've been out here for 4 or 5 hours. I'm just not getting on the ice, or I guess this is more or less slush. But I thought, hey, I'd come to Illinois just for a few more days before this ice is completely wiped out and try to make the most of it. And huge shout out to these guys for letting me tag along with them and maybe catch some fish. Wait, so say that one more time. If you catch a fish, how big?
30 plus. I'm eating a banana peel.
So if I hook a 30 plus incher and I give it to you, will you still eat it?
Anything for the view.
That was the right answer. No, I'm just kidding. All right, let's pop some holes. I don't know, you guys tore this place up. I'm thinking just drill wherever you guys haven't. All right, on some fishes. All right, hopefully I sped all that up so you guys didn't have to watch me drill 30 or 40 holes. I've barely fished this lake before. I've maybe fished it once or twice in the open water season. I don't know anything about the depth or how these fish act in the winter time, but I'm pretty sweaty because I just popped a lot of holes. All right, let's get to jigging and hopefully get to catching. From basically all the way to where you can barely see those guys to where I'm at now, the depth has not changed. Like 5 feet, 8 inches, all the way through. Doesn't make any sense. Sucky, man. I'm trying to find some sort of contour change. I mean, what do these fish do in the wintertime? Just staying 5 feet? Oh, there we go. There's a fish right there. Oh my God. Right up on it. Oh, he ate it. He ate it. He ate it. He ate it. That fish ate it. Come back. Come back. Come back. Oh my God. Come back. Oh, there he is. There he is. What is that? It doesn't look like it's that big of a fish. Eat it, you pansy. Oh, that was a big fish. That was a big fish. I felt it. That felt like scary heavy. You just know it's gonna be a big fish when you got something interested in something like this. I think I missed him again. I like this little spot. There's something about this area. It's definitely not the depth because it's 5 foot 4 inches all the way across. Maybe a little bit of grass down there, I don't know. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, nice. I'm like trying to wrap my head around if these fish could be shallow in like 4 feet of water. This crappie comes out of nowhere. Crappie, not crappie. Dude, crunched it. Dude, I'm so shallow right now. Look at this. I'm like 4.8, not even 5. Maybe that's just the game because it's like warmer. They're like moved up maybe a bit. So that's a major score. I'll take a crappie. I'm kind of after pike and bass today, but who says a little black crappie can't get the juices flowing? See you, dude. Okay. All right. All right. Do you want up in the Crisco frying pan? There you go. See you, bud. Nice.
That's decent.
Wow. This is good news. Might have found a little slab ditch here. Sorry guys, I'm like zoned in right now. I feel like I'm about to get hit again by another crappie. These crappies are running packs too, so you always got to be like completely well aware that if you get one bite, you could get one just like soon after. That was a cow. There he is. There he is. There we go. Oh, big crappie. Look at that. That is a fucking slab. You notice how I don't even reel? Like it's so shallow, I can pull these fish up and out of here. That's a nice one. So we came out here fishing for what? Pike and bass. Did you guys even know there was crappie in here? Because I didn't. Oh, that's true. Is this your first time too?
Yeah, being here.
Wow, look at that. Another black crappie still in the same hole. With this warm front coming in, these fish could be doing some funky stuff and moving up shallow and thinking it's spring already, but I don't know. This has my head just in a whirlwind. I will catch you later. See ya. Get back down there. Going back down. Look at this. Look at this. Another one right there. Come on. Come on. Good one too. Good one.
Ooh, did you see that?
What is it? What is it? Oh my God! It's a big crappie. This one is bigger than the last. Look at him on the ice. Oh, he's about the same size. I was just tweaking too hard.
Oh, that is it.
Look at that. Why is there, like, this is like the dime, dude. Why is, there's nothing different about this. There might be a little bit of grass on here, but this is the same depth as everything I've fished. Mind blown. On that bait, look at the size of that bait. Like, I wouldn't even use that for open water crappie. And you have them in your hand and they're just like rolling over on each side. It's so rad. Back down he goes. Sweet. Nice job, guys. Oh, as much as I don't want to leave this hole because I know there's fish in it, there could be some greener grass in some of these other spots. What's in here? Let me guess, it's 5 feet. Oh, wow, it's actually 4. That's juice. Cade, you ran all the way back to get that. Hopefully it's worth it.
Who needs to work out when you can just...
Thing's heavy too, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, pop some in the vicinity and just see if they're like here, because you just got a bite too, eh? Let's do a little quick tutorial for the folks at home. So that's on right there, and you just give her a rip and let her run for like a few seconds, then start popping.
Oh yeah.
Like a pro.
With or what?
Yeah, push down and then just hold like tight. Wide stance. It's tough being an angler and having ADHD. Oh, you
Oh, yeah.
up. Dude, there's some fish over in this hole. It's like they went from that hole over here.
Oh my God. Oh, he's on. Holy shit, there's a 5-pounder.
Easy. Be slow. Slow. Oh, is that my rod?
Yeah.
Slow. Just take it easy. If he wants to run, just let him run. Ready? Slow.
Oh, get John.
That's a stud. So it's not just crappie here, huh? Freaking monster. Look at the little plastic too. You're sneaky, dude. I didn't even see you pick up my rod.
He said, okay, I used your rod.
Oh wow, you got him good. He wasn't going anywhere.
That's a nice 4-pounder, dude. That is awesome.
I got my scale if you want to.
Probably eating those crappie.
Hey, can someone take a picture of me?
Yeah.
Gnarly. Congrats, bro.
Keep going.
How'd that feel?
Wow.
Awesome.
You're soaked, aren't you? Wow, dude, this is it right here. That was a freaking stud. I think the most frustrating part about ice fishing is just watching that fish that is obviously interested in what you got going on there. Just look at it and leave. Like, you don't get that luxury, or I guess that curse, when you're fishing normally in open water. Like, you don't know if a fish is looking at your jig 10 feet in front of you. But with this, if you got like the Vexlaw or even a camera, like, you get to watch that fish, get interested in your bait, and then slowly just fade away. It's almost like you could have had him, but you didn't. Kind of crusty. Adds a little bluegill or something. I love when I start smack talking these fish, they show up. So typical. Oh, that's how you miss a fish, guys. Just like that. My God. Oh, you scared me with that. I know, right? Show what the drag peels, dude. Got me freaking wired over here. Listen, we caught a crappie. We got the bass. Next is going to be a giant pike. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, pike. Pike. Is it a bass? Oh, it is a bass. You're right. Careful. Oh, no. Thank you. As if you weren't wet enough, man. I thought for sure it wasn't a crappie because, like, the crappie are way, like, it's funny how the crappie are more aggressive than the largemouth. The crappie will come in and just smoke it, but this guy kept coming in and out. That was a serious bite. I clamped his jaw shut. Not as big as yours, man, but it feels good. Wow, that's a cool looking fish. Looks like I'm putting this fish back into the slush. All right, see you, bub. Bye-bye. Woo! That's what we are after. A little bit of bass. So let's go over a quick body count right now. We've got, let's see, 3 crappie. We got 2 bass. You know, this is the same kind of lure I used down in Navy Pier for those perch. Did I think it was gonna work in 4 feet of water for lethargic crappie and largemouth? No, but these fish this time of year have a tendency of surprising not only myself, but other anglers. Like, the guys were started off in an area that should have been good, had a lot of depth, a lot of grass, but there just wasn't much going on. Now, as you can see, everyone's starting to move to this area near the island, which is right there. We're starting to divide and conquer. We found kind of a saturated area where we think there could be some good fish. Or how much time do we have left, boys? I think like 2 or 3 hours. Oh, you going to go all night? Midnight bite? Kate's got hockey, so he can't stay all night. But we're probably gonna fish here until like it gets dark, of course. The one great thing is you can be out here at night because it's so freaking warm and not freeze your butt off. Like, I'm in waders and 2 layers of plaid. I'm double up in plaid. Look at that. Plaid there. I'm rambling. Let's get back to fishing and see if I can catch maybe a pike or even a bigger bass. Oh. Hi. Oh, hi. Oh my God, that was a nice bite. Nice crappie. Another crappie. Not my biggest one of the day, actually smallest one for sure. Kate's gonna scoop that underwater release. But what am I working with here? What kind of angle?
I have
Any
no
preferences?
idea. I have no idea.
Okay, just be quick. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that would have been
cool.
sick. Nice tail kick on the lens.
Good fish,
Nice.
man. That's awesome.
Oh, nice. Go, go, go. Big pike, big pike. It's ripping. Oh, 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 oh.
Dude, that was ripping.
You think it's a gator? Oh, this is a big pike. You want me to spot you or you want to get
banana
it?
peel.
You got this.
Oh, it's a pike.
It's a big pike?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, be over 30.
It's a pretty good one, though, dude. We might be over 30.
Come on, we gotta get that in.
Big muskie.
Oh no, he popped off.
I should have grabbed him.
With him, he took it.
I should have grabbed him.
That was massive.
Damn it.
Oh!
I was being a pansy. I should have just smoked him. Well,
That was it.
you asked if there's pike over here.
Oh my god.
Snapped him clean. Tripled over.
You said tiger muskie?
No, I was playing. It was a pike. Oh my god. That was the fish we'd been talking about since I got here. A pike. I'm not sure if you got a good glimpse at it, but basically there's a rod in there with a big shiner and it went off. And that was probably about a 30, maybe 32-inch pike. Good fish, the kind of fish we're after and we're out here for. I was a little bit slow on yeah, well, anyway, it's a good fish and it's a good sign. Well, how long was that auto in the water for? Maybe like 10, 15 minutes? It's not bad. I mean, maybe it'll go off again. I'm trying to be optimistic. All right, well, back down there. Hope for another pike, I guess. That was sweet. Ooh. Uh-oh. Good fish. Good fish. Oh, I think it's a pike. Ooh, 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 ooh. That's definitely not a bass. Definitely not a bass.
Yeah, it might be a Sprite can.
It's off.
You're
It's off. Wow. Another pike.
Dude, that thing was pulling.
For sure a pike.
Is that a pike?
Yeah. It didn't seem on the graph. Just boom.
I
Just,
heard that drag screamer.
oh yeah, that was a pike. Oh my god, you dingus. There we go. Big crappie. Big crappie. Oh, he's on my waders. They're just like a step below, like monstrous,
Yeah.
like Godzilla size. But they're still really nice. It's been a real soft hum. Absolute crickets for, I feel like we haven't had any action since that pike got lost, right?
And the bass over there.
Yeah, and the bass over there. This guy came out of thin air, straight thin air, but he smoked it. It's the crappies. The crappie and the pike are, I think, the most aggressive fish on the ice right now.
Yeah.
These guys don't have any sense of temperature. Gorgeous black crappie. Another fat head. Oh, elegant is right.
That's nice.
Thanks, dude. King crappie over here. I didn't know I was king crappie. I guess I am. It's like been the only thing I've caught today on that dinky little bass. So much fun, dude. So much fun. Ooh. What is it? What? What is it? What did you catch?
I spent $16 on those.
I've never even seen these things before.
Yeah, it's a roach.
Yeah, but aren't these like, they're not native to here?
Yeah, no.
What, dude, it's like
Wait,
rare.
was
Let me
that
see
guy
this.
talking about
Yeah.
this is what the pike were eating?
Dude, that's crazy.
That's a big roach too.
I don't think they're native to the, because who the hell would have put them in here? Unless, are these what the bait stores sell? No, this is completely different. Like, look at that thing's jaw. I think you're right. I think it's a roach, but like, that's kind of weird. Look at his look at his mouth.
Probably from previous winters.
Oh my god, yeah. It's not, I don't think it's a carp. That's really weird. I've never heard or seen of anyone, let alone catching one in open water, but like under the ice. He was kind of pulling hard, wasn't he? Yeah. I think that's pretty uncommon. You caught something pretty special there for sure. So these are the last holes I'm gonna drill before I throw in the towel today. It's getting kind of late. I didn't realize, like, I've entirely lost track of time. So I popped, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more holes. These are the last holes I popped. And check this out. When I popped this hole right here, a bunch of grass came out from under it, which leads me to believe this might be a good pike spot. Look at that, look at all that grass. Bunch of salad. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Is it a pike? Ooh, buddy, it's a good one.
Yeah, you got that.
Wow. All right.
Let's go.
That's a good fish.
Let's go.
Barely hooked. Yeah. Nice. Grand finale. Now we can go home, right?
Yeah, I think we're good to go.
Oh. A1. Nice stuff, dude. Whew. What a day. Feels good to be back on the filming fishing grind. Hopefully this was a banger. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I wasn't hot on the B-roll. I know my last video, I'm like, I'm gonna do the best B-roll ever. But really, today, like, I just felt good about fishing and doing it with these guys. These are great people. Anyway, we're heading out right now. I'm gonna go home, hang out with Lucky Pup, and reassess my plan because I'm gonna head back out in the ice tomorrow. I think I'm gonna fish in Wisconsin with Lee and Robbie. I'm stoked about it. I'm pumped. I'm pretty much looking forward to it.
We just got home.
No, it's no squirt.
She'll jump out. For
Hey,
you.
tiger.
She'll jump out for you.
Tiger.
I know you guys haven't seen much of Lucky, but she is doing good. She's actually growing, what, like a pound now, or what? How big is she?
She
She's
is
probably like
5 pounds.
5 pounds straight. When I got her, she was when I got her, she was 4'2". So she's a big dog now. We're no longer dealing with a tiny little pup. She's a full-grown bratwurst, isn't that right? I was literally gone for a day. And you guys asked me why I got a wiener dog. This is the reason why. I can't ask for anything better, you guys. I had an amazing day out in the water, and then I come home to her. And she is just a bundle of love. Look at this. Thank you guys so much for the view. We both really appreciate it so much. Right? Be sure to check the link in the description below. I'll leave both Casey's channel and Caden's channel. They're two very new and upcoming fishing channels. I think it's awesome to see. It's so much fun to fish with two dudes who are starting to grow their channel and really wanting to make their passion and their hobby into like possibly someday an occupation and a career. It's like a really cool thing to see. Anyway, I'm signing out. Thank you all for the view. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and comment below where you think I should film my next video. Should it be on ice? Should it be in open water? Or should it be somewhere completely different? Should I do some fishing in like hot magma lava? You guys let me know. You're the ones watching this channel, and I want to make videos for you. Peace, take care, be safe, and as always, keep fishing. Never stop.